In this guide, I'll show you how to get 120 FPS in Rainbow Six Siege on PS5. Now, in order to do this, you need a setup that supports it, so display an HDMI cable that can run 120 hertz. And what you want to do is go to the home menu on your PS5, and we're going to go to settings. Then what you want to do is scroll down and select screen and video. And from here, we're going to select video output. Now what you want to do is scroll down on this page, and you want to ensure 120 hertz output is turned on to automatic. Now, anytime you play a game that supports 120 hertz frame rate, will automatically switch to it. Now, what you want to do is go back, and once you're in game, what you want to do is press the start button on your controller, and we're going to go to options. Then, what you want to do is scroll on over at the top until you get to display, and here's where you're going to find graphics mode. Now, if this is grayed out, it likely just means that your setup doesn't support 120 FPS, but if it isn't grayed out, you'll be able to switch it over to prioritize performance, meaning the game will run at 120 FPS, but it may lower the resolution in some cases. So I do recommend you run VSync, so having this turned on, and not turning up the field of view too much because this may affect your frame rate. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.